Hello students, today I will discuss about program coding chapter of computer science subject under ICSE board class 8. So class 8 be serious about this chapter program coding. This is the first session of Java programming content. So let's begin. First thing is, what is programming? Imagine you are giving instruction to a robot, right? You need to be very specific and clear. Instruction should be very specific and clear. Programming is like that, but instead of a robot, you are giving instruction to a computer. This is called programming. Okay, but remember, there are 3 points regarding programming, such as you must practice regularly. Second one, break down problems. And third one, debug carefully. If we follow these 3 key points, you will be better in programming or coding. Got it? Then, what is Java? The right side picture is Java logo. Okay, you already known it. You already known this. What is Java? Java is a versatile language. Java is a platform independent, and Java is an object oriented. First point is versatile language. This means when you used Java programming to create a wide range of applications, from simple console program to complex enterprise systems. For this reason, this is called versatile language. Okay. Then second one is platform independence. Java program can run on any platform with a Java virtual machine, in short form JVM. J for Java, V for virtual, M for machine, making it highly portable. And third is, Java is called object oriented. Why? Because Java is an object oriented language. That means it models real world entities as objects with properties and behaviors. Then features of Java. First one is simple. Java has a clean and easy to learn syntax. Second, already discussed, object oriented. Third one already discussed, platform independent. Then fourth one is robust. That means strong memory management and exception handling. What is this? This is error handling. When you code programming in Java language, if some errors occurs, then the coding either enter into infinite loop or interrupt the programming, hence coding. Okay, so for this reason we can use try exception and finally keyword that control the errors error in programming. So this concept is such a robust. Next, secure. Built-in security features to protect against viruses and hacking. Okay, and then multi-threaded. Multi-threaded means it can perform multiple tasks simultaneously. Multiple tasks simultaneously. Thread means function. Thread means task. And last features is high performance. It means efficiency in execution. Efficiency in execution. Okay, so these are the features of Java. And then we discuss about object and class. You can see the right side diagram about class and object. Okay, so class, we understanding about class. Before we must understand about object. What is an object? A real world entity with properties and behaviors like as car, dog or a person. Uh, then class is a blueprint for creating object. For creating object. Okay. Then you see the diagram. Class that contain main two components. One is data. Data means data defining, but data definition like as integer a, double a or string a, like that. And then function. Both are the properties of a class. Both are the components of a class. Okay, and then this class is called via a object. Imagine your name like Rahim Sharma, like that. So you must have a nickname. So this nickname is called an object, and your good name we can call class. So these are object and class. And then introducing BlueJ. BlueJ is a IDE. IDE means integrated development environment. There are so many IDE in Java programming language. For writing Java programming language, these are NetBeans, Eclipse, Android Studio, Visual Studio, etc. But BlueJ is only for beginners. Only for beginners. This is not good for developer. Okay, so BlueJ window just like this that you can see in screen. BlueJ screen. Then interface of BlueJ. There are 5 interfaces, mainly project navigator, class diagram, object bench, code pad and console. Project navigator display the hierarchical view of your project, including classes, interfaces and packages. Okay. And then class diagram visually represent the relationship between classes in your project. Object bench allow you to create instances of classes and interact with them, and CodePad is a simple text editor for writing and editing Java code. And last one is console that display the output of your Java program. Then let's see. I start the BlueJ application. See, this is the window, this is the home page, this is the main window of BlueJ. In this area, project, edit, tools, view, help, these are menu. And then this navigation contain to which help you to create class, and this place is called object pad, and this is the main portion for coding. When when you open this open editor, in open editor this class like this called CodePad, okay, where you can type or edit all types of codes here. So these are all interfaces of BlueJ: project navigator, class diagram, object bench, CodePad, and console. Okay, and then basic structure of Java program. This is the main structure: public class hello world. Hello world is the class name, and class type is public. And in this class, public static void main function, and after system.out println hello world. This println function prints the string, prints the sentence or any other message within println function. Here package declaration for organizing classes into packages, right? And then import statement, import necessary classes from other packages, and class declaration define a class, which is the basic building block of a Java program, and main method, that this is the entry point of a Java program. And last one is statements, instruction to be executed. These key points containing under basic structure of a Java program. Okay, and then basic fundamentals of Java. Remember mainly three content. One is variables and data types. Second one is operators. Third one is control flow statement. The variables and data types. What is variables? Variables, that is a container to store data, and data vary their types, variety types, integer, float, double, string, like this. Mainly two types of data. One is primitive data and another is reference data. Data types. Primitive data type: byte, short, integer, long, float, double, character, boolean. And reference data type: string, array, objects. And second, operators in Java. There are 4 types of operators in Java, and any other programming language is these are same: arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, and assignment operators. And control flow statement, mainly 2 types of control flow statement. One is conditional statement and another is looping statement. Conditional statement, these are if statement, if else statement, if else, if switch statement. These are all conditional statement. And looping statement, for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Then identifier keywords, literals, and comments in Java. Identifiers are the names given to variables, methods, classes, and other elements in a Java program. But these identifiers must follow certain rules, like as start with a letter or underscore. Remember, consist of letters, digits, or underscores, and case sensitive, and cannot be reserved keyword. Keyword means predefined variables name. Predefined variable name. This is called keyword. Keyword are reserved words in Java with predefined meanings. You cannot use them as identifiers. Example: public, private, protected, static, final, integer, double character, boolean, string, if, else, switch case, and default, for, while, do while, break, continue, return, new, try, catch, finally. These are all keywords used in Java programming language. Then literals. Literals are the fixed value that cannot be changed, like integer literals, floating point literals, character literals, string literals, and boolean literals. Boolean literals, they are a true value, true or false. Okay. And next one is comments. Comments is very important in concept in programming language. Any any programming languages, not only in Java, comments are used to explain code and improve readability. Okay. They are ignored by the compiler. And remember, compiler start its compilation where it see the main function were declared. Where a main function declared, then starting their compilation from main function. So there are mainly two types of comments. One is single line comments and another is multi-line comments. Single line comments is structured as double slash, as you see in screen, and multi-line comment like that, slash star, and after the end of line star slash. And another multi-line comments, this is called multi-line at a glance, slash, double star, and at the end of a line star and slash. Okay, so these are the main comment structure, comment symbols, comment syntax in Java. This is the end slide of today's class. So far the class, stay well, stay with us, stay with Paul Easy Web Design AI Computer Learning Center. Stay with me. My name is Kinkor Paul. Thank you.